In Chrome browser, search for Temp Mail. There are many options, but click on the first link, that is Temp Mail. You will get the Temp Mail web page with a temporary mail ID displayed. It may take some time to load. After loading, you will get the temporary mail ID. You can copy the mail ID, and you also have a few other options such as copy, refresh, change, and delete. When you scroll down, you can see the messages sent to the mail ID like verification links, OTPs, and so on. For example, let us use this mail ID on any website. Here, I will enter the mail ID and click on Continue. It will take some time to load. Once loaded, it asks you to enter the OTP. You will get the OTP on the Temp Mail website when you scroll below. Click on the message and you can see the OTP. Then go back to the previous website and enter the OTP. You will get logged in. So this is how you can use temporary mail IDs. You also have the option to change the mail ID by clicking on the Change button. You can also delete the mail ID by clicking on the Delete button. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe.